Hi everyone! Today, let's analyze the usage of some and any. Let's go! Some for countable nouns.
I have some books.
Some for uncountable nouns.
I need some water.
Any for negative statement.
I don't have any money.
Any for interrogative statement.
Do you have any questions?
Any for offering something.
Would you like some coffee?
Any for choosing something.
You can pick any color.
It's time for quiz. Please complete the sentence. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I think that's all for today. See you on the next video. Bye now.